Air conditioning on ships is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. A well-functioning air conditioning system ensures a comfortable environment for the crew and protects sensitive equipment from overheating. Let's dive into the world of ship air conditioning, focusing on centralized systems and their importance. Centralized air conditioning systems are designed to cool the entire vessel efficiently. Unlike separate units, which can be scattered throughout the ship, a centralized system uses a network of ducts to distribute cool air. This not only enhances comfort, but also improves energy efficiency, reducing operational costs. In contrast, separate systems can lead to uneven cooling and higher energy consumption, making centralized systems the preferred choice for most modern vessels. Safety is paramount when it comes to air conditioning on ships. A malfunctioning system can lead to overheating, which poses risks to both crew and equipment. Regular maintenance is crucial. This includes checking refrigerant levels, inspecting ductwork for leaks, and ensuring that all components are functioning properly. A well-maintained system not only enhances safety, but also prolongs the lifespan of the equipment. When a ship is in port, air conditioning requirements change. The system must adapt to external temperatures and humidity levels, ensuring that the interior remains comfortable. Additionally, oxygen requirements for air conditioning systems are critical. Ships need to maintain proper air quality, which means ensuring that the AC system can provide adequate ventilation. This is especially important in confined spaces where carbon dioxide levels can rise quickly. International regulations play a significant role in shaping air conditioning standards on ships. The International Maritime Organization has established guidelines that dictate how air conditioning systems should operate, ensuring they meet safety and environmental standards. Compliance with these regulations is not just about avoiding fines, it's about ensuring the safety of everyone on board and protecting the marine environment. Servicing schedules are essential for keeping air conditioning systems in top shape. Regular inspections and maintenance should be conducted at least twice a year, but more frequent checks may be necessary depending on the ship's operational conditions. This proactive approach helps identify potential issues before they escalate, ensuring that the system operates smoothly and efficiently. As we wrap up this discussion, remember that a well-maintained centralized air conditioning system is vital for the safety and comfort of everyone on board. If you're involved in ship operations, take a moment to evaluate your current air conditioning setup. Are you following the recommended servicing schedules? Are you compliant with international regulations? Engaging with these questions not only enhances safety, but also contributes to the overall efficiency of your vessel. Stay informed, stay compliant, and prioritize the well-being of your crew and equipment. Your ship's air conditioning system is more than just a comfort feature. It's a critical component of maritime safety and operational efficiency.